The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued an extreme wind warning for Southwestern Calhoun County in South Texas, Aransas County in South Central Texas, East Central Nueces County in South Central Texas, Eastern San Patricio County in South Central Texas, Central Refugio County in South Central Texas, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated extreme winds associated with the eyewall of Hurricane Harvey were moving onshore 17 miles east of Key Alegre, or 18 miles east of Rockport, moving northwest at 25 miles per hour. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Widespread destructive winds of 115 to 145 miles per hour will spread across Calhoun County, Aransas County, Nueces County, San Patricio County, Refugio County, producing swaths of tornado-like damage. Take cover now. Treat these imminent extreme winds as if a tornado was approaching and move immediately to the safe room in your shelter. Take action now to protect your life.